Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Evans Bank step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all income sources and calculate your total monthly earnings. Next, track your monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include rent, mortgage, and insurance payments. Variable costs cover groceries, entertainment, and personal spending. Use a budgeting tool or template for better organization. Once you've documented your income and expenses, identify areas to cut back. Set specific financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Create a budget that aligns with these goals. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Review your budget monthly to ensure you stay on track. Adjust your budget as necessary, especially when circumstances change. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account for consistency. Use the Evans Bank online tools for easy management of your budget. Stay committed to your financial plan and track your progress regularly. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.